So disappointing. Of all the fans that I've seen at Target, this has probably got to be the most ridiculous. I mean, it's probably more ridiculous than the Lakewood fan today. There it is. Look at that. That's just absolutely ridiculous. But look, hold on. Wait, no it's not. It's made in the USA. Oh wait, read the fine print. Motor made in China. So, just because the fan was made in the USA and not the motor doesn't mean it's good. Cause look at that thing. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous, sorry. As you can see, there's no panel, nothing, not even a handle or a switch on top of it. The switch is in back. So this is pretty pathetic for a fan. And remember that video I made of the universe's worst excuse for a box fan? Well, this is it now. Because look, it's got the switch on the back of it. I mean, that makes no sense. And the manual says that... Where did I put it? Yeah. Listen to this. You guys will laugh at this. You can't see it because of the camera focus, but it says, "Warning: to reduce the risk of electrical shock, do not use this appliance in a window." What are you talking about? It's what it's supposed to be for. 20-inch air circulator. I don't think that's 20 inches. I hardly believe that's 20 inches. But for the most part, it's quiet. So here's high. Medium. It shakes too. Can't see it that well. You can see it on low, probably. Low. This is way uncool. Whoops. Look, it's got feet. I actually turned it on, but without the feet before I put them on, because I didn't know they were in there until I looked in the box, and it flipped over like that. Flipped over the second I put it on high. And let me tell you, this cabinet is probably thinner than the new Lakewood box fan. I mean, when I picked it out, I'm like, whoa, that's thin. Look, I mean, look at that. Absolutely ridiculous.